Using a shellless mold process, I recreated a Ming Dynasty scene inside a renovated old house. The aesthetics of Chinese tradition from 100 years ago instantly revived. Right beside the Forbidden City, we turned a 300-year-old courtyard home's main bedroom into a stage. Between the refrigerator, standing cabinet, and heated bed platform, there was still space. Looking up, I saw an ancient-style cabinet placed there. It gave off a vibe. Only after asking did I learn it was a Ming Dynasty Xingjing cabinet, which should at least come in sets of 3. I decided to recreate one. I drew a design and sent it to the lumber supplier. What I needed was a wooden structure, which could be quickly processed. The next step was to assemble it like building blocks. Apply carpenter's glue at the joints and hammer and pine dowels to lock them tightly together. Soon the 4 cabinet doors were done. Next, I assembled the body of the cabinet. Fortunately, I had the blueprints, so I could find the right pieces and connect them one by one. The most complex part was connecting the back and front panels, due to the need for crossbars and vertical supports. Only with great precision could all the slots be hammered into place. Finally, I secured everything with the top panel. With that, the most critical part, the assembly, was done. But the new wood was too smooth and flat. It lacked texture. So I tried hand finishing it using a sanding bit to create patterns. The idea was to grind off the softer parts of the surface, making the wood grains stand out. It didn't show up much at first, so I tried a wire brush, which worked better, but made a mess. The house had a wooden frame, so I moved the cabinet upstairs to sand it. The floor cleanup was left to the cleaning robot. It has powerful suction and handled the uneven antique-style tiles easily. Its dual mops, with 40 degrees Celsius hot water, cleaned the whole room, even tight corners. The dual robotic arms extended like extra hands and made mopping easy. And thanks to its strong suction, I no longer worry about cat hair on the floor. While it worked, I kept sanding the cabinet. Experts know that the process involves first brushing rough textures with a steel brush, then polishing with a plastic sanding head. This turns flat panels into beautifully textured surfaces. I then applied yellow antique wood lacquer to one cabinet, used even in the Ming Dynasty. While waiting for the paint to dry, I checked the room. It was spotless. I must mention its 100 degrees Celsius high-temp dishwashing capability, cleaning trays to a spotless shine without manual help. It even has upgraded radar lifting functions. It easily navigated gaps between sofas and cabinets and crossed 6-centimeter steps effortlessly. With its help, I no longer worry about cleaning at home. Meanwhile, I had almost forgotten about the Ming Dynasty cabinet recreation. I moved it into the room and added traditional Ming Qing-style handles to the drawers, perfectly restoring a 600-year-old Chinese aesthetic. Now only the heated bed area wasn't finished. After clearing construction debris, I laid down a moisture barrier, then a Kang mat, and assembled a solid elmwood frame in the same way. With the Kang in place and the room furnished in a traditional Chinese style, it felt like stepping back 100 years. With all the woodworking and interior decoration done, the last step is restoring the still messy courtyard.